Hey, this is the shack that Dennis built, and today I'm going to show you how to change the back tire on your lawnmower. Got a flat and I need to fix it, so we're going to take it off, bring it to Les Schwab, have them fix it, and then we'll put it back on. So my particular tire has a hubcap on it, and this is just a pressure fitting hubcap, so you need to take that off. A lot of times you can take it off by hand, and if you can't, you're going to need to get a tool that'll pull that off. This one is exceptionally tight. There it is.
About time.
Okay, so we got that off, and now
All gooey.
it's all gooey, but we've got a cotter pin in there we need to take off. Cleaning off a little bit of that grease there so we can get to the cotter pin, or whatever we got in there. Maybe it's a slip pin. No, it's a slip pin. It's one of the little U slip pins. So what we'll do is, it's probably going to come off real easy. So we're going to slip the screwdriver in there. It's got a hole in the back. Just need to get it to pull out, just like that. And that is out. We'll put that somewhere where we can get it. Like right there. Alright, so then what we're going to do is we're going to take out this washer. That's what kept that thing in there, was that big washer. And just like that, tire's off. And we are ready to go to Les Schwab to fix that tire. So pretty simple, you just put the tire back on.
And it's okay. I must have made it easy for you.
You must have. Alright, gonna put the washer back on there. And then we have a slip washer.
That's the hard part.
And so you just stick that slip washer in there.
Maybe that's
got to get in there deep enough.
That's probably why I couldn't do it.
Okay. Not sure that I'm in the groove here. There it is. Now I'm in the groove, thanks to you. Okay. All right, now. Almost got it in there.
Yeah.
There it is. Snapped in there.
There it is.
There it is. Then we'll put the hubcap on. It was fun getting it off. Probably going to be fun getting it on. Let's see. Ah, there it went.
There it is.
Just like that. And that's done. And that is how you put a back tire on your lawnmower. This is the shack that Dennis built, and this is the lawnmower that sits in the shack that Dennis built. Really great view from here.